My question/problem is, I've always wondered which brand of batteries would work the best. So every 3 days I'm going to run a type of battery for 3 hours straight. I will run one brand until it dies, then move to the next battery brand. I'm going to use Duracell, Energizer, and Max Alkali as my brand of batteries. Observe. Duracell and Energizer are common brands of batteries that people buy. Max Alkali is not as common as of a name brand, but they are cheaper. I usually use Duracell and they last for a long time. I am using the same flashlight for each battery type, and one would assume that the more expensive the product, the consumer would benefit more. Hypothesis. If I test batteries for 3 hours a day every 3 days, then Duracell will last the longest. This is a chart of how long the Duracell batteries lasted. This is a chart on how long the Max Alkali batteries lasted. This is a chart on how long the Energizer batteries lasted. Analyze data. The Duracell battery lasted for 46 hours and 47 minutes, which is almost 3 days. The Energizer battery lasted for 37 hours and 59 minutes. The Duracell battery lasted for 9 hours and 28 minutes longer than the Energizer battery. The Max Alkali battery lasted for 25 hours and 52 minutes, which is just longer than a day. The Energizer batteries lasted for 12 hours and 7 minutes longer than the Max Alkali batteries. In the beginning, the light emitted from each of the battery was bright. About halfway through their spans of working, each of the batteries started to dim and eventually died. If I were going to do this experiment over, I would use more brands of batteries and not just 3. I also could use a flashlight that takes AA batteries, not AAA batteries. Conclusion. I accept my hypothesis because the Duracell battery lasted the longest. I know this because the Duracell battery lasted for 46 hours and 47 minutes, and the Energizer battery only lasted for 37 hours and 59 minutes. The Max Alkali battery only lasted for 25 hours and 52 minutes.